And now as an example for a much better view for ngIf, how to use it, we will generate a new component. It's called ng generate component. Let's call it model. We will try to click a button and see if it displays a model. App dash model. We save it. Then here we can see that the model is not working because our server is still not running. But if we run our server, let's wait for a bit for our browser is still loading. Then we save it. Then we refresh this. We can see that the model works. Now we can edit the model here and in its contents. So let's try to create a button. To put it click is equals to show model. Show model. Then is equals to true. Open model. Show model is still not here in the TypeScript file, so what we will do is we add it to our TypeScript so that it won't display this error. Show model is equals to false. So basically, if we don't click this button, the show model is still not true. This is false by default given that we declared this variable show model false here in this variable. So we will keep on editing the HTML file, and then after creating the button, we create a div with a class of model-overlay. Then we insert the ngIf directive show model. Then afterwards, we create another div with a class called model. This is a shortcut on creating a div with a class. We save it and we put some headers on it. Model title, let's say it's the title of our model. The paragraph inside our model content, and the button click is equals to show model is equals to false. Then we make it close button. And if we try to click it, it's still not doing anything because we didn't finish doing it. Then afterwards, after doing that, we add some CSS on it. That model dash overlay position fixed and top 0, left 0, right 0. Save it. Bottom 0, background color RGBA 000, comma 0.5. Then display flex justify content center and align items center. Then that's for the model overlay. So as you can see here in our class, this is it, the class for the model overlay. And now editing the model dot model background color white, padding 1 rem, border radius 0.5 rem. If I try to click it, still not showing anything. Wait for a bit, I'll try to fix it. Maybe it's on click.